I am visiting the pyramids of Romania here in a small town close to Făgăraș, and I saw something in the chart that is worth mentioning in this video. Now, guys, I just wanted to say something. Today is Sunday, and many people here in Eastern Europe and Southern Europe, they like to go hiking. They like to enjoy in nature because the crypto market is not giving us the right trades in order to make some profits. Now, the market is not very volatile. It's actually trending down and it doesn't show a clear direction. The volume is very low and I am just closed my short position on Bitcoin. I made a nice profit of about 7%, including leverage. Sure, it's not too much, but I'm not trading on the weekends because I don't have to. Now, when I reach this wonderful destination here in Romania, I realized one thing. I have this automated trading bot that I started a couple of weeks ago running on my Bybit account. And I wanted to show you the results that it achieved in the last few weeks. That's the sub account that we created together, and now I'm $1,000 in profit. This is actually crazy. My whole portfolio, total portfolio, is up by 1K. This is actually crazy, considering that I have to do nothing. I have to pay 14% profit share, which sure takes $400 of my capital, but I earned $600 doing nothing. Now, I don't know how this strategy is going to perform in the next months. I don't advertise this strategy, but what I want to say is that automated trading is the future. Nobody wants to sit in front of the screen the whole day, spending their months, days, and years trading. It's simply not worth it. I don't want to do it myself. Yes, I can make good trades. I'm a profitable trader, but I want to enjoy my life. I enjoy writing Strategy Master newsletter that you can see here on my cap, and I enjoy interacting to people and teaching other people. Two last things that I want to mention today. Bitcoin doesn't show a clear direction. If you take a look at the Bitcoin chart, you will see that Bitcoin is sitting currently on its support zone right here. We have a lot of movements right here, and it's basically a support zone. Now, whether it's going to go up or down from here, it is very hard to say. Our trend was extremely positive up until this weekend, but we reached a cycle high. We had a sell signal. We sold our holdings. I opened a short position, which I already closed today, and we actually retraced from 111K to 107,000. Now, if you apply cycle indicators, let me put one by one the cycle indicators that I have on the screen. They are not showing clear signals. That is the reality. The 3-day indicator shows us that we are overbought. Yes, the indicator is turning down, as well as the price is turning down. For this reason, I'm actually not buying. I'm also not shorting as of today because in the very short term, we're actually oversold. If I look at the 2-hour cycle indicator and I also add the 12-hour cycle indicator, which shows the Bitcoin movement within the next couple of days, what I can see is that we are clear. Let me just turn off the 3-day cycle. There is not enough space on the screen right now. I can see that 2-hour cycle is currently breaching the bottom, meaning that we might go up very, very soon. I'm already having a green stripes here on the chart. You can see green. Green means potential zone to buy. And the 12-hour cycle is also breaching the bottom. So currently, I could say that yes, we are actually in a good support line. However, knowing that the 3-day cycle trend is negative, I'm not jumping into the market. And I don't have to. And I will not have once this strategy is fully automated. I'm working on automating this strategy, and I can assure you that within 1 to 2 months, I will have a fully automated strategy that I'm going to offer in the BTCC or other crypto exchanges where people will be able to copy my trades. Now, I advertised this $1,000 bonus to you many times, right? If you use my link in the description below, you can get $1,000 completely for free. All you have to do, you have to make a deposit and you get a 10% deposit bonus. Now, deposits $1,000, you'll get $1,000 for free. And $1,000, ladies and gentlemen, can be a very big amount of money. I want to show you what I, with my trades, did in the past 2 weeks using $1,000. Here is a Coinflare exchange. Here's a Coinflare exchange, and this is my live portfolio. I traded from $1,000 to $1,500, which is actually a 50% profit in the last couple of weeks. And here you can see all my trades and all my funding costs and everything. This is all live trading that I had. I wish they actually supported a better P&L chart. They don't. But here, if you stop my video, you will be able to see when I bought, when I sold, what kind of fees I paid, which positions I had. Exactly this actually motivated me to create more videos to create more live trading workshops, because these live trading workshops, they also help me to understand my trades. I can rewind them. I can see where did I be mistake, what did I do is good stuff. And having 8% drops in a month, it's actually amazing. I mean, sure, it's a small portfolio. It's $1,000 portfolio, but it's purely using cycle strategy with ignoring all the Trump tariffs, with ignoring anything that you can see on Twitter, YouTube, or Blizzard. I didn't use anything proposed, anything that's available publicly on the internet. I just use the cycle indicators that I present you in every single video. So this is basically a motivation for you to also apply cycle indicators. If you want to learn about cycles, you have to do two things. First thing is subscribe to this channel. You subscribe to the channel and you will learn, you will see how I trade. You will see the cycle indicators actually applied on the chart in the live environment. Second, you go to the book description down below. It's listed on strategymaster.io. This is a trading newsletter where I keep people on how to use this proof. I analyze cycles, I analyze Bitcoin, gold, altcoins using cycle indicators, and I also show some of the long-term trades that I do using cycles. Now, this is the website. If you're not sure which link it is, this is the website, strategymaster.io. You simply scroll down. Last night, I just published another video. Last night, I just published another article where I speak about the June Bitcoin bottom, the Bitcoin bottom that's upcoming within the next 2 weeks, where Bitcoin is going to make a new 60-day cycle low and will actually go up from there. And I explained everything, why cycles are proposing two scenarios, and why one of these scenarios will definitely be true, and why after making the bottom, we're going to smash all-time highs once again. And all of this based on cycles. So guys, have a great Sunday. Enjoy your time. Don't overtrade, and see you in the next video.